Here is a fun trick you can use to prank your friends with. Let's take a look at what this code does. The first thing we did was create a message box. Then we wrote some text for display. This text displays two options. In this case, it's OK and cancel. You can change these two anytime you want using the guide on screen. This is pretty similar to the last one, instead it just displays an icon. Using the same guide as before, I have provided a short list of icons you can use. Just change them by replacing their words. And lastly, this is the name of the window. Just name it anything you want. Now that we're done, we can save the file. Be sure to add a .vbs at the end and switch the file type to all files. This can be turned off using Task Manager. Just search for Windows and end the task. And there you have it, a fun and harmless prank for your friends and family. Remember, a prank is supposed to be something to laugh around and not something to be used as an offense. So if your friend can't seem to turn it off, then show them how to. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.